Hankook Ventus Prime 4 versus the Pirelli Cinturato C3. It's the classic face-off between proven reliability and fresh innovation. The Prime 4 has been a dependable summer touring choice, but the newly launched Cinturato C3 brings new-gen performance to the table. So is it time for Prime 4 to step aside? Let's dive into the data. Throughout this comparison, you see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Hankook Ventus Prime 4 set as the reference point at 100%. These results are sourced from El Volante's 2025 summer tire test. In wet braking, the Cinturato C3 stops 0.3 meters shorter than the Prime 4, a 1% edge. But the rear shocker, wet handling. The C3 lapped 3.67 seconds faster, clocking in a 3% improvement in control and agility. Even in straight line aquaplaning, the C3 held just a bit longer, 81.6 km per hour versus 81 km per hour, giving it a 1% advantage. Dry braking is where things get even clearer. The Pirelli stopped in just 36.9 meters compared to Hankook's 38.7 meters. That's a 5% shorter stopping distance, a significant gain in emergency stops. Dry safety, C3 takes it. While mileage wasn't tested directly, but the earlier results are in. The C3 is estimated at 29,880 km versus the 26,250 km for Prime 4. That's a 14% longer lifespan. Not the best in class, but clearly ahead. When it comes to exterior noise, the C3 is 1.1 dB quieter, 2% lower. And in rolling resistance, the C3 has a coefficient value of 7.4 versus 7.7 on Prime 4, a 4% boost in efficiency, better for fuel and EV range. Now, the big question, is it worth the premium? The Cinturato C3 is around 28% more expensive than the Prime 4, but with the performance gains across every key area, the value equation looks strong. In summary, the Pirelli Cinturato C3 is the clear winner. Better grip in all conditions, improved comfort, longer wear and higher efficiency. Yes, it's more expensive, but the performance speaks for itself.
Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.